Hello, stranger. It's been a
The Cécred hair restoring and edge drops literally took my edges from this to this in less than 30 days. If you want to see the journey, keep on watching. Fun fact, back in 2019, I got a relaxer October 12th, 2019 because I was getting married October 19th, 2019. Problem with that is we had a honeymoon cruise October 27th. And me being the irresponsible myself, I said, actually, I'm gonna get some stitch braids, knowing it was gonna rip my hair out, and it did. So I have been a little bald on this side of my head right here in this edge areas since that day. Since that day. I wish I was lying, but I'm not. Wish I was lying, but I'm not. First of all, we are freshly washed, cleansed, and deep conditioned with the Cécred hair line. So if you have not seen that video, go ahead back on up and watch that one first, okay? But we're going to be doing 30 days of testing out this Cécred restoring hair and edge drops. And today is day one. It's a very nice size bottle. I ain't getting sweet. It's heavy duty too, a little thick. It's 1.7 fluid ounces. It says, fill the dropper and apply directly to edges and scalp. Massage with fingertips. Do not rinse. Use daily for best results. That's what we're gonna do. So today is day one of 30. Today is Friday, March 14th. So we're gonna do a 30-day update. I am just gonna do my edges for now because I will be flat ironing my hair in the morning, and so I don't want to put all this oil on pre that. But starting on day 2, I'll put oil on my whole scalp. In reality, I probably could have did this right now, but oh, the oils, the edge drop smells like the rest of the line. Oh, I just smelled it when I put it on the nape of my neck. I am obsessed with the scent of the Cécred line. Like, it should not smell that good. But today is day 1. Okay, today's day 1. Gonna grow this little bald spot back. Okay, it is day 2 of applying our Cécred restoring hair and edge drops. Today is Saturday, March 15th. So, take some out. Get my little bald spot. So I'm gonna hit all my edges now. I know it's been some days because I've been forgetting to record. However, I have not been forgetting to put this on. Today is Sunday, March 23rd. So another day. We're past the 1 week mark. Not growth quite yet, but they do feel thicker all the way around. Today is Friday, March, what's today? 28th. So this is day 15, 16, 17, 14. This is day 14 out of 30. Definitely seeing some growth and thickness. Of course, that piece was like fully bald, but there is some growth happening there, so I'm mad at that. I will say, my hair is just doing really well just with using this oil in general. Like, it just feels stronger, which is something I'm very grateful for. I think too oftentimes we as people, black women especially, we want hair growth products to work overnight, which is no different than like the way that we want weight loss, diet, exercising, all of that to also happen overnight. And it's just not how things work, you know what I mean? Like, that's just not realistic. So I have very realistic expectations from using this oil for 30 days. But I will say, my hair is thicker, stronger, and when I wash my hair tonight, I'll actually be using the reconstructing mask, and I'm really excited to see how my hair likes that as well. Okay, so today is March 28th. I've lost count. No, today's the 29th. I've lost count of what number on the thing we are. I don't know, but y'all know. I'll figure it out by the time I edit this. Anyway, I finally washed my hair, and I did not use the full Cécred line that I had before because I don't have the hydrating conditioner from Cécred, so I didn't want to use it. I just used my normal Redken shampoo and conditioner, but I did use the Cécred reconstructing hair mask sample that I got with my order from my last video. Y'all, when I say my hair is so freaking soft and feels strong, I love that. I love it so much. But what we're here for this video is edges. Do you see the growth? Do you see the growth? Like, do you see the growth? Yeah. I know I have not been in here to record me actually applying this in some few nights, and I apologize. But I'm back on camera now because y'all, today is day 23 out of this 30-day challenge, and the growth is so crazy. So like, one, do you see the growth in my kitchen? Like, that growth is crazy. Okay, I also have used the reconstructing treatment mask, which I feel like I already talked about, but love it. And the full Cécred line is now sold at Ulta, and I already went and picked it up. Also has pink bags now. I don't know what that's about, but they have pink bags. So we got the hydrating conditioner. I have not tried this one yet because if you watched my first video, this was the only product that I had not tried because I don't like the cleansing line, because the double cleanse kit that I got did not have a conditioner. Remember, I was like, do they have a hydrating conditioner? Like, why is this not in the kit? Because that one just came with the clarifying shampoo, hydrating shampoo, and deep conditioner kit. So I did get the hydrating shampoo. I love that reconstructing treatment mask so much. I got a full size one. Y'all know I am obsessed with the deep conditioner. Tomorrow is actually, oh wait, I got it backwards. This is the deep conditioner. This is the reconstructing treatment mask. I should have known by the white. And anyway, the deep conditioner. Tomorrow's wash day for me, and I cannot wait. Cannot wait to use this again. And before I could even run out, I bought another one. Before I could even run out, I bought another one. Okay? Because I will not be caught lacking. I won't be caught lacking. I shan't. I can't be caught lacking. Okay? But this is about the oil. Now, y'all, do I have to turn my brightness down for y'all to be able to see? Yeah. Do y'all see that? Ooh. Do y'all see that? Like, do you see how sparse that was? That was on, so you can see the timestamp. That was on March 14th. Oh. I thought I started this March 15th. I don't freaking know. I remember when I do the footage and go to edit it. Either way go, we coming up on day 30. It's the last week. This is the last week, okay, of this 30-day challenge. But do you see how sparse that is? That's the left side of my head where I have a bald spot. Y'all look. Bald spot where? Huh? Huh? Can y'all see that? Bald spot where? Where? Bald spot where? I took the picture today. As you can see, this is today. Kind of blurry. Today, 10:26 p.m. Same nightgown, same glasses, because I literally just took this picture. Do y'all see that growth? Do y'all see that growth? I tossed these into like a little canvas situation just so I could try to see the growth side by side. Do y'all see that? Like, do you see that? That's so crazy. That's so crazy. So let's get to getting her in there, okay? Take my glasses off. I be having stuff all over. Like, the growth here is so crazy. And I knew my edges was going because look at that. I can't wait to see what my hairstylist has to say. But one more week left and I'm super excited to see the growth. I know I forgot to keep coming back and filming, but today is Saturday, April 19th, so we are past the 30-day mark. And as a full update, I went to the salon today. The picture, and as you can see, I have edges here, okay? So I get there, you know, of course I take my scrunchie out, and she said your hair is so soft, it's so shiny, and she said it's growing so much. And I said, it's Cécred. And she said, oh, so you love it? I said, yes, ma'am. And so we, like, you know, looked up the price points and stuff, and I was telling her how it's super affordable. Like, it's affordable in the sense of, like, it fits in the range of most of the other product lines, you know, from Redken to Design Essentials. Like, that $30 to $42 price range for full-size bottles is standard. It's standard. She's not charging $60 for a bottle of shampoo. You know what I'm saying? And what I will say is I'm never not using Cécred again. Okay? Like, and my hair was healthy anyway. My hair really thrives with a relaxer. I don't really care what nobody has to say about it. And this is also probably because I have been a healthy, relaxed girl for a large period of my life. So, you know, getting around relaxers touched up every 5 to 6 months was the standard for me as a kid. And it's something that I continue on now. Okay, now that I'm back to being a longer relaxer, of course my curls have all this. They're not super tight, they're just big curls because I haven't combed them out yet. But it is truly just a testament to how beautiful Cécred is. Because y'all know I like to use my little mini Babyliss. Is it called Babyliss or Baby Babyliss? I don't know. My little Babyliss Pro iron to get my edges. And today when she was getting them, she was using the regular, well, she of course hot comb, because this is, you know, I have a stylist from the 90s. Okay. But of course the hot comb, but she was like, now I can curl this little piece of edge right here with the full flat iron, and can because there's hair there. She was like, it's really grown. Yes. So I swear by these Cécred restoring hair and edge drops, so much so I already have another one, because y'all are not going to sell out of this, because this is a daily occurrence. And I ain't gonna hold y'all. I'm gonna see what they do for my eyebrows. I want my tail to be a little thicker, and I currently have, let's see here, today is April 19th. My next eyebrow wax is on May 7th. So I got about 2.5 weeks to my next eyebrow wax. And so I'm gonna see what happens by using Cécred on my eyebrows only at night. If they don't sit that dog down, I'm trying to record a video. But I'm gonna see how much I can have my eyebrows go in the next 2.5 weeks by using it on my eyebrows. Probably only at night though. I'm applying it with either a Q-tip or a cotton round to get that on there. My little toner pads that I use, like, you know, the little cotton rounds that I use for like to apply toner and stuff and skincare. I'm probably gonna put some on that and just wipe it over my brows, because if it's doing this to my edges, oh yeah, they're gonna be thick. But I highly recommend, if there's one, the Cécred restoring hair and edge drops are a game changer. Beyonce and Mama Tina did her big one, and the relaxed girls, get on it. Till next time, y'all. Bye.